Morning, Shug.
Come here, come see your mom.
No, Mom.
Come see your mom.
No, Mom.
Are you going to be a good bird for your mommy?
Oh, are you going to be good?
Come see your mommy.
If you're going to be good, you can come out.
All right. Come here. Okay. Come on. Come here, come see your mom.
You want to see Mom?
Are you going to be a good bird for your mommy?
Well, if you're going to be good, then you can come out. You want to come out?
All right, come on. Come here, come see your mom.
If you're going to be good,
Come see your mommy.
Okay, I'll be right there.
Come see your mommy.
Okay, just a minute.
Come see your mom. Come here. Okay, all right. Good morning, come here.
Good morning, baby. I'll be right.
Be good for your mommy.
Okay, I'll be right there. Just a minute.
All right.
All right.
Come here, come see your mommy.
Does the Kaik want to come out
You
too?
gonna come out?
All right.
Are you gonna come out?
Okay, I'll be right there.
Okay, I'll come out. Okay, all right, okay. You're gonna be a good bird. Oh my God, huh? Good morning, come out.
Good morning. Do you want to go on the porch?
Come out. All right.
Okay, I'm coming.
Come here.
Do you want to go on the porch?
Okay, I'll come out.
Mommy put you on the porch, okay?
Okay, all right.
I'll be right there.
Good morning, come out.
All right, I'm
See
coming.
your mommy. Come here.
Mommy's coming, just a minute.
Okay, I'll come out.
All right, hold on.
Are you gonna be good for your mommy?
Okay, if you're going to be good, you can come out.